I've done everything for $5 a night to $60 a night. The $5 a night was not something I'd recommend. It was gnarly, but that's an option. Hey guys, my name is Shayla. This is your Hostel 101 video. What is a hostel? A hostel is the greatest thing of all time. If I could stay in a hostel or a hotel for the same price, I would stay in a hostel every time because it's such a cool way to meet people while you're traveling. It's a giant room. It's bunk beds. So everybody's sharing a big room and then everybody shares the bathroom. So here are the 5 things that you need to know about staying in a hostel. Okay, number 1, how do you find a hostel? Hostelworld.com is what I use all the time. I'm not an affiliate with them, it's just literally what I use. They have reviews for hostels so you can kind of see what other travelers say about it. It shows you all the hostels that are available, which is super awesome. Thing number 2 about what you need to know about hostels is that there is a wide variety of options. You can stay in a room of 14 people. You can stay in a private room where you have no roommates. You can stay in a room of 4 people. You can an all-girls room. Co-ed room where there's guys and girls sleeping in the bunks. I don't care. I'll stay in co-ed, I'll stay in girls. It doesn't really bother me. People think that that's not safe, but I think if someone tries to do something in a room full of 14 people, you just have to open your mouth and other people are gonna help you because travelers are typically, we're all in it together. This is important. People are worried about losing their things or people stealing their stuff. Knock on wood, I've never had any of my stuff stolen from staying in a hostel, but I'm pretty good about keeping everything locked up. But you wanna make sure that you have a lock to lock up your stuff. And I keep my laptop, my camera, I keep all of my valuables in the locked thing. It's great when you're out, it's great when you're in the shower, it's great when you're sleeping, it's locked. If it doesn't have a locker, I'd recommend not staying there. But if that's not an option, I would just lock your bag. Most of the time, people are gonna do what's easy. So if you leave your laptop on the table, you run to the bathroom, you come back, it might be gone. If you leave your laptop in your locked backpack, typically people aren't gonna steal an entire backpack. It's a lot bigger, a lot harder versus just a laptop. So make sure you bring a locker. The next thing that I would recommend bringing are towels. Some hostels will let you rent them for $1. You use them and then whatever. These are great. These are just really thin microfiber towels. Dry you out really nicely and then you can just hang them on your bed and they dry really quickly and they don't take up a lot of space in your backpack, which is crucial. Shampoo and conditioner and body wash, but what I usually do is just go to Target, get Dr. Bronner's travel size, and I use that for my body, for my hair, and for my face, and sometimes for my underwear in the sink if I'm in a hotel or something. People recommend bringing earplugs and eye masks. This is my eye mask. It's super bougie. It's like a $30 eye mask or something really stupid. How to keep your stuff safe while you're sleeping. So I usually charge my phone and I keep it literally under my pillow on airplane mode so I don't get stuff going into my brain. And then I also sleep with my purse and my passport and I will wrap it around my wrist a couple times and just lay with it and snuggle it just so that nobody can take it from me. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!